Good day, sir. This is my final portfolio in Doc 10, my qualification, housekeeping in situ, presented by Ms. Reynal Gisal from BTVT Ed FSM 3B. Number 1, Training Need Analysis or TNA form. Yung Training Need Analysis, this used to identify gap between employees po, currently skill knowledge, and then required to perform their roles effectively and collect data on performance issue, business goal, and training needs to inform training program design po. Dito naman po, yung mga pinasagutan mo po na doon sa TNA, kung alin yung malalaman natin kung alin yung mga dapat i-improve pa ng mga respondent po dito sa TNA na dapat i-improve at magawa ng mga trainee ng maayos at masolusyonan yung mga dapat i-improve. Number 2 naman po, training plan, which is nakapaloob po dito doon po sa qualification mo, yung pinag-download mo doon, which is yung basic and common and core competencies po. With that, copy-paste lang naman po doon. And then, training plan is all about outline, that objective, content, method, timeline, resources, and evaluation strategies for specific training program po. And then, it serves as a roadmap to ensure training is organized, targeted, and aligned with desired outcome. Number 3 naman po, which is the list of tool, material, equipment, and facilities. Dito naman po, with that training need analysis, training plan, which is copy-paste din po. And then, ilalagay mo doon sa tools, material, equipment, and facilities po with the same of your qualification. Dito, sa list of tools, material, magbe-base ka lang doon sa core competencies and then, this is needed to deliver training successfully with this list of tools, material, and equipment, and facilities. Number 4 po, trainees record book. Yung training record book naman po is all about a document that track essential information about each trainee po, such as personal data, training program attended, completion date, certification earned, and any notes on their participation or performance. And then, it serves as a formal record for administrative and career development purposes po. Yung training record naman po, which is din po sa TR mo or yung mga nakapaloob po. Magbibase ka lang naman doon sa qualification mo. Number 5 naman po, training progress sheet. Ito naman po, yung nakapaloob dito is to use to monitor and document each trainee advancement throughout a training program. And then po, it records performance on assessment, participation level, skill development, milestone, and areas require additional support po. Yung trainees, kung ano yung mga nakapaloob sa training progress sheet po. Yung number 6 po is all about training session evaluation form, which is yung mga feedback nito. Kung nakapag SIT ka, mas madali kasi malalaman mo kung ano yung dapat improve, kung ano dapat yung mga naging observation mo doon sa pag-OJT mo po, which is about po sa mga observation and kung ano yung na-observation mo about doon sa OJT. Yung number 7 naman, interpretation and analysis of program evaluation. Dito naman po, nakapaloob yung mga interpretation about dun sa, kumbaga yung mga evaluation din about doon. And then, yung paggawa ng mga question na pasasagutan mo nga doon sa mga respondent mo. Yung magiging nila doon, base about doon. And then, interpretation analysis program evaluation is all about data collected from training program evaluation po. And then, the feedback form and then performance. And then, it involves identifying trends. Yun po. Na dapat, yung mga dapat recommendation for your program improvement po. Yun lang po. Thank you. God bless.